What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a full body workout together with no weights, just body weight. Get ready, get dressed, and let's get this workout. The first exercise we're going to be doing is the standing oblique crunches, and this is a variation, so you guys, we're going to be doing 3 sets of 15 on this leg first, and then alternating. So what you want to do is you want to have your hands up like this. I hope you can see my full body. And so what we're going to do is we're going to bring our knee up to our elbow, knee up to elbow, and then foot out, arm out. So just so you guys can see it from the side, what we're doing is we're spreading the legs, arms are up here, elbow to knee, down, arm to foot, up, just like that. So whenever you guys are ready, we're gonna be doing 3 sets of 15. Go ahead and get your workout in. Go ahead and take a 15-second break, and then we're going to get into set 2. All right, you guys, it is the last set, and let's get it. Good shit, you guys. Good job. That's 3 sets of 15. If you're not sweating, you didn't do enough. All right, this next workout is called the overhead jumping jacks. And you're gonna do it like this. Legs are open, arms are up. Legs are closed, arms are down. 1, 2, 3. You guys got the hang of it? 3 sets of 30. Let's do this. 15-second breaks between each set. Let's go. Second break. Second break, then we're gonna get into the last set. Last set. Take a 15-second break, and then we're gonna get into our next workout. This next exercise is called the Russian twist, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna twist our bodies, and we're going to put out a leg or extend a leg of the other side. So, if I'm turning my body to the right, I'm putting down my left leg. If I'm turning my body to the left, I'm putting down my right leg. So, we're gonna do 3 sets of 20. It's called the Russian twist, and when you guys are ready, go ahead and get to it. Keep your hands off the mat or else you're cheating and you're fucking lazy. So just go ahead, twist, leg out, twist, leg out. Ready? When you are, let's get it. Second break, and then we're gonna get into set 2. These ones, you can really feel it in your body. Like you can feel it up here, you can feel it down there. It's a really good exercise, so don't sleep on this shit. Get some water. Okay, ready for set 2? Let's get it. All right, go ahead and take a 15-second rest, and then we have one more set we're gonna do together, and then into the next workout. All right, last set. Ready when you are? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, that exercise is a good ass exercise. All right, get up off the floor. All right, this next workout we're gonna be doing is the last workout, and it's called the boxing variation. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 sets of 30. You're going to put your legs however you want them. I like to do wide stance just because I wanna work out my glutes. That's just the way I roll. Squat, punch. Squat, punch. I've done this before on my channel. If you missed it, here it is again. It's amazing workout. Works out your arms, works out your back, and works out your legs all at the same time. So whenever you're ready, all right, first set of 30, take a 15-second rest, and then we're gonna get into the next set. Let's get it. Fifteen-second rest, and then we have one more set. Do not take longer than 15-second breaks because you're letting your muscles cool down and you're not gonna get the full benefit of the workout. Let's go. All right, guys, it's a prime example of how to push yourself. My legs fucking hurt and I pushed myself. I had a hiccup there, but I pushed myself through that hiccup. You need to push yourself. Push yourself. Your body's a machine. It can work harder. I hope you enjoyed this full body workout with me. If you did, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more workouts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.